from Cordoba to Ezeiza via flight and route, climb flight level 3990 until Arsot, Alfa Romeo Sierra Oscar Tango, and squawk 2047.
Roger that, American 931, clear to Ezeiza. Flight plan routes is maintaining flight level 390 to Arsot and squawking 2047 for American 931.
Correct. Runway use 01, report when ready.
Roger that, call you when ready, American 931.
Line up, report when ready.
Line up for runway 01, we'll be backtracking and we'll tell you when we're ready. Thank you.
That's correct. After departure, expect seat Assemi 1, climb unrestricted to flight level 3990.
Roger that, the Assemi 1 departure and an unrestricted climb to flight level 390, American 931.
That's correct. American 931, Roger, with calm, runway 01, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 01, American 931.